Hello, everybody. Welcome back. In today's video, wow. Come on, voice, work with me. Come on, I know it's early. Get it together. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new foundation. This is the Revolution Skin Silk Glow Tint Sheer Foundation. I got mine for $13 on Ulta's website, and this is in the shade Medium Neutral. It looks dark, y'all. I feel like I don't know who I thought I was, but this looks dark. So it's a stick format that makes it easy for application. Just swipe and glow. Sheer to light coverage that's flexible and buildable. It gives you a lit from within look to your skin. An illuminating sheer foundation for natural radiance in seconds. So I'm assuming this will be good for those who have dry skin. My skin's going through it right now with this crazy cold winter snowpocalypse that's been going on. So I'm a big fan of glowy foundations, especially in the winter. I need some hydration. So you just swipe it right onto your skin, blend it out. That's what I like about stick foundations. Just super easy, quick, fast, put it on, blend it out and go, you know what I mean? So that's pretty much all the information. So let me go ahead and get this on my face. Okay, so per usual, I'm not going to use a primer. I want to see how this wears throughout the day. So again, I got my shade in Medium Neutral. Now you can see the shade a little more up close. I am freshly self-tanned, so hopefully this will work. And I'm thinking with it being a sheer, it even says sheer foundation, that hopefully the shade won't matter as much. So let me go ahead and swipe this on my face. Yeah, that's a little dark. Ooh, I can already see the glowiness to it. I like that. Let me get a foundation brush. I'm going to use the BK Beauty 101 foundation brush. And let's see how this blends. And if this shade is going to work. It blends super easy. Super easy, super fast. It's definitely glowy. It's really pretty. It has a really pretty glow to it. If you like glowy foundations or glowy skin tints, this might be your girl. It is a little dark for me, but we're just gonna have to make it work. This pimple is so obnoxious, but I also keep picking it, so that doesn't help. Let's see what it does here. I don't think it's probably gonna do much. It really don't do much. You know what I feel like with this though? It really just kind of evened my skin out. Gave me a nice canvas to work with. I always say my skin is more on the normal side. I can tend to get a little oily in my T-zone, so it'll be interesting to see what happens throughout the day with this skin tint or this foundation tint, whatever you want to call it. It has a slight bit of coverage. My freckles have definitely toned down with me putting the product on. And now actually looking, ooh, my earring's gonna fall out. What I'm noticing is that after blending it out, I think the shade actually does work. Matches my neck pretty well. So when I'm freshly self-tanned, this shade will work, but I feel like I would have to really calm down with the amount of product I use in order to make it work anytime after that. I love how fast that blends out. And again, now my freckles on this side, I always feel like are darker. And I always say it's because of me driving and the sun hitting on the driver's side. I feel like it does have, even though it's a light coverage. I mean, you're not gonna get medium, full by any means with this foundation. So if you like a light skin tint type of foundation, a stick form foundation, a glowy foundation, you might really like this. I love the glow. I love the glow. It's not like so glowy to where it looks greasy, sweaty, you know, that kind of glow. It just gives, at least right now, upon putting it on, it gives a nice, beautiful glow to the skin. Oh, and you guys know I love a glowy foundation. So here we are. Here's the base. You guys know the drill with me. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then let you see everything once I get it all on. So let me get started with that. All right, I am finished with my makeup. I did a light makeup day today because I'm just at home hanging out, chilling, doing nothing. But I will say, even after putting just a light layer of loose setting powder on, I used the NYX Wonder Snatch in Cherry. What is this? Cheeky Cherry? Oh my God, it's not closed. Oh no. Oh boy, we made a mess. Cheeky Cherry. I can still see a glow to my skin. The setting spray that I use isn't like a glowy setting spray. So the glow, obviously I put highlighter on my cheek, but there is a glow to the skin, hydration to the skin. Oh gosh, I hope I do not get oily, but it looks beautiful right now. It is just enough glow and hydration that it just gives you like this really pretty glow to the skin. I don't know how many times I can say glow, but I love the way that looks. If you don't like glowy, you will not like this. Oh, I hope it stays like this. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to do my normal thing, come back on camera in 7-8 hours, let you see what it looks like. Pray that I'm not a grease ball when I come back, because the way this looks right now, I just love the way that my skin feels and the way that it looks. So I will see you guys in about 7 or 8 hours. Hello guys, I am back. It has been about 7 hours. And the first thing I need to do is add some lip gloss here. My lips are so chapped. I've been out shoveling snow throughout the day. Whew, that is a workout. Between sweating and being in the frigid cold on my face, I feel like I got a good wear test today, even though I've been lazy otherwise today. I feel accomplished by shoveling and doing my nails, but now I'm tired. Now I'm like, yeah, I might need a nap because I ate a huge lunch too, so I'm kind of in a food coma right now. I need an espresso. That's what I need. I need an espresso. I need to wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Honestly, this is going to be a quick check-in because my skin looks gorgeous. It still has such a beautiful glow to it, but it's not an oily glow, a greasy glow, anything like that. Even over my scabbed over zit right here, it still looks good over that. My forehead might be the slightest, and I mean the slightest, and teensiest bit starting to get a little oily. I always say I kind of have a shiny forehead because of the lights and everything, but it might be like, it's hard to say, maybe like the teensiest bit starting to get oily. The one complaint I have, I feel like this shade, which was my fault, this shade I think after today will not work for me. I think it's a little dark, so I need to go down a neutral shade. So for those who match your shade because of my self-tan in your skin tone, I would do the light medium neutral. I think that's what it is, or it might just be light. It's the first neutral. It's the first neutral in the shade range. So I definitely need to go down a shade, but it is so beautiful. If you like a little bit of glow to your skin, a little bit of glow to your makeup, a more lighter coverage foundation or skin tint, something that just is very more of like that minimal makeup. I feel like there's more coverage with this than, let's say, it's the one skin tint I reviewed not that long ago. It was a stick skin tint. I think that was from Revlon, if I'm not mistaken. This has a little more coverage than that one, but with no primer. This is so beautiful. And after like 7 hours, I feel like my skin kind of gives that glass skin appearance. I think people with different skin types would also be able to wear this, not just those with dry skin. I think even, let's just say if you had extremely oily skin, if you used a matte primer, matte setting spray, something like that, just to be on the extra careful side of getting oily, I think you would really like this too. I'm a fan of a more glowy makeup look, so maybe if you're not into glowy at all, then I would not go for this foundation. It's hard to call it a foundation. It's like a glow tint sheer foundation. I mean, they're calling it a foundation. So what are your guys' thoughts? Are you gonna give it a shot? Because I'm really loving the way that my skin looks. But that about wraps up this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.